All right. Hey, looking at what we got going this week, Speech 128. As you can see on the calendar right here for this week, there's two assignments due this week, if you're all up to speed on everything. The first one is the fourth activity now in your skill package, right? You're moving right along, about halfway through. And this is the one where you're going to be getting feedback about the skill. And you'll see there's different ways you can do this. There's 4 different prompts. A lot of people pick this very first one, which is just asking a person that you trust, right? Someone you trust, basically what his or her opinion is about how well you perform this particular skill. And then sit back and get the information, take some notes, whatever. And then you turn that in with your reflection about it. It's a really cool assignment, I think, where you get to hear back from someone else about you and how you do that particular skill. But you'll see there's 4 different ways you could approach this. So look these over and decide which one you want to do. I do want to emphasize again, and I have an example here too of one somebody did. I want to emphasize the idea here that when you turn this in, make sure that whatever you turn in is at least 250 words, right? Otherwise, I end up sending it back to you, and then you have to revise it, send it back, and it ends up kind of doubling everybody's work. So just double check it, with your word count and your word processor. Make sure you've got at least 250, which is 1 page, basically double spaced, 1 page. And you'll be good, right? So that's the first thing that's due this week. Also, the second part of the nonverbal unit that we're doing, this is what's called the nonverbal experiment. I think you'll have fun with this. Basically, I gave you a bunch of options as how you could approach this as well. Basically, the idea is you're going to go out and you're going to do something where you're going to record what happened. You're going to observe an experiment that you do, right? For example, dressing 2 different ways, going to the same place, seeing how you're treated, right? A lot of people like to do that just as an experiment for this particular assignment. And, there's a lot of choices here. I like to give you choices. So take a look at this. Again, when you do turn it in, make sure that it's at least 250 words, and then you'll be good. So that's really all we got going for this week. Office hours, again, are being held Tuesday and Thursday, 10 o'clock. And sure like to hear from you if you're having any issues or you want to talk, any problems whatsoever, let me know. And I'll see you again next week.